How's it going, YouTubers? It's me, AMR. Welcome to my unboxing video of the SoundPeats Air 4 Pro wireless earbuds. That was a chunk of a title, man. I'm gonna be unboxing these headphones that I've never heard of before. Never ever have I heard of them before. They are basically they're like a higher end earbuds, right? At a very decent price. At the moment, they cost $79.99. Link is in the description below. I'm also gonna put a little discount code for you guys to use. When you use this discount code, to be honest with you, I do apologize. I don't know how much discount you're gonna get, but it is a chunk of a discount that you're gonna get. Go and have it a look. So before I do anything, let's just unbox it and we're gonna review it first and see what they're dealing with, man. So let's go Amazon packaging, open. Get right into these headphones. Remember, guys, it's not SoundBeats, it's SoundPeats with a P. Pete's making me think of Peter Parker from Spider-Man, dude. So here we go, the box. So have a nice look. It's nice and easy. I like the way it's packed. Air 4 Pro, man. Don't forget the Pro. There's a normal version and the Pro version. You'll see the difference in a minute. You can just have a pause, read that. I'm going to explain all the bits and bobs in a minute. Have a pause, read all the details right there if you like to. Nothing here. Hear your imagination. And that is just the barcode. Right then, let's put these slightly to a side and let's get into the juicy bits. It's the specs, man. It's the specs. Now, I do apologize. I'm going to be a bit lazy with the specs and I'm going to literally just pop them on here. So here is the Amazon page right here. So as you can see, SoundPeats Air 4, over here, $79.99. At the moment, you get 20% voucher for this. Also, do not forget to put my voucher. That is, I'm going to write down in the description down below. It's going to get you like a huge chunk of a discount, seriously. So go ahead for it. So just a moment, guys. I'm going to show you the specs in a sonic second. Down we go. Where's the specs bit? Where's the specs? So here we go. SoundPeats Air 4. Lossless compatible sound with a Snapdragon sound on it, man. It's got a Snapdragon bloody processor on, dude. That's my first time having a headphones with a flipping processor in there. Adapted hybrid active noise cancellation, voice in-ear detection. There we go about the Snapdragon. You're gonna hear some music, man. Bloody hell, I really want to know. What do we have here? Let's just go next. Nope, that's all. We need to see the specs of this, man, which you probably already saw in the box. So 6 hours single charge, 26 hours charge with the charging case, 1.5 hours when it's fully charged, man. That's decent, man. That's decent. I never use my earbuds more than 30 minutes or well an hour. Hour is the maximum I spend in the gym. So there we go. You've got all these codec information there which you can read yourself, and also it's not mentioning here anything, but I'll just say all out. There we go. There is no. That's just a different thing. So let's just throw that out of the way and let's just look at this, man. This gives you even much more better information. Where is it gone? There we go. The 13mm dynamic drivers and everything else that I've just told you. Now then, into the unboxing right here, right now. I can't wait to try these on, man, because these are like as I mentioned, they are in the like higher tier of wireless earbud headphones. However, they're not priced as those because those are priced like £200 or something like that, you know. But these, like with the Snapdragon processing installed and stuff like that, they are pretty cheap for what you're paying for, man. Especially right now with the discounts all over the place. Especially with my special little discount in the description below. Don't forget to apply that, and you're gonna get some epico. Oh no, I like the feeding of the box, man. I like it. Oh, also ASMR, man. There we go. Out of the way. Let's get this flipping murder weapon out of the way, because there's so many times I almost murdered myself on live stream, well, on unboxing video. Now then, are these gonna be nice to me or are these gonna be horrible to me? With the boxing, come on, man. You know, SoundPeats, a little suggestion to you guys with your packaging team. Put a little ribbon, man. Put a little ribbon to get these bad boys out. Seriously. I mean, the AMR is gonna have a bit of a problem here getting these out. So just bear with me. Get them out. Get them out. Nice and easy. Come on. Almost there, man. Dude, I don't want everything just to spill out. Just a minute, guys. Let me just put a bit of force here. I don't want to wreck the box. I'm going to keep the box. I like my boxes. And any minute now. There we go. There we go. It's almost off. And it is off. Wow. Yeah. Quick feedback to the unboxing team. You need to put a little label, just like this. Look how easy it is to lift it up. You need to put a little label in there, or ribbon, to lift that up. So what do we have here? Let me just see. We got an instruction manual. We got some things in different languages. And there we go. Right, let's just put that to a bloody side, man. Put that aside. Get this out. And what else do we have in here? We have, well, we got the Peats themselves, and also I can hear something under the packaging. Oh wow. Well, there's two things here. Number one, we have the earbuds. They're in bronze. That's the color that I've got. And then in the other section, we have a USB Type-C USB, man. Micro USB, whatever. Let's just put those back in here. Save some space on the EMR's desk. Now, here is the main attraction itself, man. Let's just quickly unwrap this. Wow, nice and smooth, man. It's like a soap bar. It is very slippery, very, very slippery. And you got the USB-C there. You've got a button here. What does the button do? Button? Button. And let's just see how it lifts up. It lifts up just like that. And here are the headphones themselves, man. They look very stylish indeed. Wow, they look they're very small, dude. Very small. And let's go this one. And the green light comes on. Green light is on. Maybe these have got a full charge, man. So let's just go and put them right here. Let's get rid of that. Nobody please question my tablet. Seriously, this tablet is on steroids. If you know, you know. Right, I don't even know if... Right, I do apologize. This, like I mentioned, this tablet is on steroids. Let me just quickly connect it to this tablet. Just bear with me. Bluetooth pair new device. I wonder if they even got a charge on it. There we go, SoundPeats Pro. Pair with them. Yes, pair of course. And it's pairing and it is connected. 100% battery, cool. They come with 100% battery. Now then, these do come with a dedicated app called SoundPeats, just right there. You open that, and I'm holding my tablet upside down, and then agree and continue with that. And then you got a bloody face here, dude. I gotta quickly register. Oh, come on, this is gonna take an age. Right, you know what I'm going to do now, guys? I'm going to pause the video, quickly listen to the sound quality. I'll be right back with you, and then I'm going to give you a rating, dude. So, just one moment. Right then, guys, I am back. I'm back, and I've got a review going, man. I've got a bloody review going now. Bear with me. I gotta do things. I gotta do things the AMR way, man. That is... How do I do this? How do I do this so that you guys can get a nice rating for this? Right. So here we are. Before we do anything, that's the app. And I am a bit disappointed at that because what I did was I went here, I made a full account, give all my details, and as soon as I select my product, it doesn't even load for some odd reason. So that is horrendous. So let's just get that out of there. I do apologize. It's a SoundPeats app. It links to the sound with the SoundPeats, and it gives you the customization options. So then, excuse my 5-year-old handwriting, but SoundPeats Pro 4, Air Pro 4, whatever. So then, sound quality. Sound quality, I am going to give it at this very moment 8 out of 10. Reason being, I heard a lot of treble, Bass was a little bit mid. However, I believe the app, if the app was working, I could have changed that. I could have changed that to my preference, right? So that's what it is. The app, at the moment, it didn't even work for me. I put all my whole registration details. To be honest with you, I don't even know why I had to make an account. I didn't like that. So the app, to be honest with you, it's not working. It's got an app, so I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 10. Please update the app, guys. SoundPeats, update the bloody app, right? Next, configuration, right? 10 easy. What else? Just do it overall. Dude, I can't even write, man. I can't just write now. Overall, at this very moment of time, right, I've just used them. I've just put them out of the box. I just unboxed them, right? I'm going to give them 7 out of 10, right? 7 out of 10. My go-to headphones at the moment, out of the box, right? Out of the box were these bad boys here, right? The Soundcore P20i. Dudes, I bought these for what? About £16, £15 on sale. And I didn't need to do any configurations with these lot. No configurations at all. However, with the SoundPeats, it's amazing, right? I'm giving it an 8 out of 10 of sound, by the way, because it's got amazing sound, right? It just needs slightly tweaking, slightly, right? I'm gonna put the actual ratings for this whole SoundPeats after a week, because I'm gonna use them for a week in the gym and whatnot, and that's when we're gonna get an actual review. In the meantime, guys, do not forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Flood the comment section with all the questions you asked for. And then, I'll reply to every single one of them. I never ever leave a blank comment. Unless the comment is hideous and is completely off topic, then I do blank them. But if it's related to the video and it's related to the AMR's channel, I reply to every single one of them. So, like I said, just be on the lookout for a pinned comment on this video that is going to give the final review verdict for this device. The link to purchase this is going to be down in the description below. It's going to also have a discount code. It's personalized AMR discount code, by the way. Use it. You're going to get a heavy discount for this. And yeah, guys, stay awesome. Peace out.